Hi friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. Today we're going to celebrate Halloween with you all, because unfortunately, because of this terrible coronavirus, we cannot celebrate it with our friends or family. So without taking much of your time, let's celebrate Halloween and have some fun.
I got nothing for you.
So friends, our first treat is scary bats. Not bats, sorry, birds. Bats always comes out when I say birds. Birds, okay, scary birds. So what we need is some mini eyes, edible eyes, for the eyes. Some melted dark chocolate, cooking dark chocolate. You get them from stores, okay, like Sainsbury's or local superstores from your region. Then you need double filled Oreo sandwiches. Then we need Reeses Minis. So this is the company, Reeses Minis. This is not an advertisement, okay? This is the one that I got. I'm just taking this. So yeah, this is the Reeses Minis, and they're very minute, but they're very tasty. So these are what we need. So I'll show you an example of what we're aiming for. So this is our scary little bat. It may not look that scary, but we were aiming for it to be scary. So this is the bat. So let's get started. So friends, what we first do is open our Oreos and leave the cream part and take the part without the cream. Next, what you do is you cut each side of the Oreo biscuit, like what I've done in the video. After that, what you do is you cut those pieces in half again for our bird wings. And then you just keep on cutting them until you're done with the slices. I mean biscuits, sorry. Next thing that what you do is you take one Reese Mini, and then you take a toothpick and then you dip it in your melted cooking dark chocolate, and then you spread it around the top corners of the Reeses Minis, so we can glue on our wings, the Oreo wings, and our eyes. So we do that like what I'm doing in the video right now. So you're meant to just do it like that to give it like a wing feeling, and then what you do next is you take one eyeball at a time. You dab some cooking dark chocolate onto it, and then you glue it onto the chocolate. And you do that. You do the same for the next one. So this is what you do. So this is your Reeses Mini made. It's a very simple recipe. You just need a few ingredients. So yeah. So friends, now we're gonna make scary eyeballs. So all we need for this is strawberry jam. Hey, don't touch them. Strawberry jam, some toothpicks, eyeballs that we used for our previous recipes, Oreos. These Oreos are just for you to show. These are the ones that we are gonna be using. Food coloring, and green is the best I don't like green personally, but green is the best for this thing. Melted white chocolate, I double boiled it, but you can melt it in your microwave, or you can double boil it and things like that. And then we've got a mug and a Ziploc bag. You can get these from your local superstores. And yeah, so we're gonna put the white chocolate and put it in, and blah blah blah. That we're gonna explain later in this video. So friends, I'm going to be first putting the food color, the green food dye onto my melted white chocolate. So yeah, let's get started. So friends, what I'm doing right now is I am dipping I've dipped a toothpick into my green food dye, and then I'm trying to put as much as I can onto the white chocolate. Like what I'm doing now. It's quite a bit hard job because the food color just won't go off the toothpick. So yeah, I've managed to get some bits off, managed to get most of it. Now what I'm doing is I'm mixing it right now. So just mix it until everything's been mixed and everything's green. Now pour the white chocolate into your Ziploc bag. Just for the safe side, put your Ziploc bag in a mug, because then if the Ziploc bag breaks, or if you spill, like if the Ziploc bag breaks, you can't do anything about it, because if it will just fall onto the surface. But if you put it into a mug, then you can still use it. Next thing that I'm doing is I'm cutting a teensy weeny hole on the bottom of the Ziploc bag, so make sure nothing comes out. And then make sure that the white chocolate only comes out when you put pressure onto it. So like what I'm doing now, just blob some parts onto the middle of the Oreos, and then yeah, it doesn't matter. You don't need to put way too much, because then when the eye gets put down, it will like, you know, increase in size. Like what my bro's just done, it's gone big in size. So you do this for every Oreo until you've done, and then we go into the next part. So yeah, and make sure not to press the eyes too hard into the Oreos, and then because then the eyes will sink and it will not look good. So we've done some parts. As you can see, everything's been good. So yeah, we're nearly done there. My cheeky bros eating the bits of white chocolate on the side of the biscuits. Yeah. So friends, I'm going to do an experiment. I've taken a Ziploc bag, I've put some jam into it, and I'm trying to squirt it because the thing is not working with the toothpicks. I'm just gonna try it out. I don't think it will work, but it's worth a shot. It is working actually better than what we expected. Oh, it's actually working. Yeah, this is actually a very good alternative for red gel for those that can't find red gel like me, because yeah. So friends, I've, as you can see in the video, and as I've told you, I'm putting red jam instead of red gel because I wanted some blood onto it. So yeah, that's why I put jam. So friends, these are our spooky eyes. Hope you like them. So friends, next thing we're doing is melted monsters. We're not gonna eat like real melted monsters, but we're gonna make artificial melted monsters. Zombies, yeah. Melted zombies, okay? Melted zombies. So let's start off by doing one marshmallows. Let's do one first. So it's gonna be melted monsters. So it doesn't matter if you don't cover the whole marshmallow, just need to cover most of it. So take a big scoop and put it over here. And I think this is too much, but it's gonna give you a really good feeling for a melted zombie. Right. It's gonna be good. Yeah, this is basically, it's very easy and very fast to make. 2 eyes at random places. You don't need them at, like, on the top. Putting one on the top, putting one on the bottom. The melted monster made. Now we're gonna let these melted zombies dry and let And then after, let's eat them. So next we're gonna do some zombies, not melted zombies, just zombies. So get a marshmallow, dip it in your white chocolate, and then just stab it through your zombie head. It's meant to be a head, just take it as a head. So this is it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna now make sure it doesn't seep through the other part. Dip it through the white chocolate. So we're gonna do that. Make it be covered fully because we're gonna do this as a full zombie and not our melted zombies. So melt. Oops, sorry. So this is it, and yeah. So now to get the excess off, just tap your wrist, and then everything will just go off. I need to do some more work on my top because I haven't got it that much. So now, shake. Tap on the side of your pan, and now we're gonna put it here. Put it on your surface. I need to do some touch-ups. Yeah, all done. Yeah, all done. Right. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some eyeballs onto the face. So if you want to see it, I'll just make you see it for you. Next, what we're gonna do, just gonna put some here. Let that just make it start to be in place. So next, we're gonna put some arms while it dries. So the best option is pretzel sticks. This isn't pretzel sticks, but these are almond chunks that I cut and chopped up. So friends, as you can see, we're doing the zombies, and just thing that I wanted to note you guys of is that it's our first time we're doing these type of treats, because we've never actually made like Halloween treats before, because like in previous years we've gone trick-or-treating, we've bought sweets, or we've got sweets from other people, but because of Corona we can't do anything of this like this now, so we decided to make some treats. They're not perfect actually, but we've tried our best. So if you want hair, you can use cooking dark chocolate, melt it down, and then put some on the top, just on the top, very lightly. Put a spoon, like quarter of a spoon on it. So this is it, and then we need a toothpick. Then we just need to smudge it around, make it look like some hair, like what I've done here. It's a bit of a hard process because you need to try not stabbing the marshmallow, and you need to try not making it smudge with the green. So yeah, it's basically like this. A little style for your zombie. Friends, these are all our treats. So we've made a spooky eyes, spooky birds, spooky zombies, and spooky melted zombies. I hope you guys enjoyed the treats, and it's Halloween, guys. I always celebrate Halloween just because it's Corona. I never stop celebrating any nice occasion. Enjoy it with your family and everything. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.